Lincoln Learning's newest music course, Exploring Jazz, enables students to explore the soulful history of jazz interactively. Engaging modules introduce the elements of jazz, giving 9th and 10th graders the foundational knowledge for discovering jazz subgenres and musicians. Our virtual piano offers the authentic experience of playing an instrument. Students can use it to experiment with sound, demonstrate understanding of course concepts, or create their own musical interpretations. As students explore the role instruments play in jazz, they build their own combo band. This interactive learning experience allows them to select and change instruments to hear how their musical decisions affect the band's sound. Exploring Jazz is packed with interactive, historical, and musical content that is sure to engage, inspire, and assist with every student's personal growth as a listener, composer, or musical performer. Visit our website to request your free demo of Exploring Jazz today.